Hi folks, welcome back. Well, we're in the van, about to start with the electrics, so it's a bit of a mess down here. Right, that's the two cables from the solar, which we can't connect at the moment because I don't know what's what. So until I can put the solar on the roof, which I can't do without the roof rack, I can't tell. I've got the batteries, the main cable from the starter battery routed back through again and into the DC to DC charger. I've got it isolated at the other side, which you'll see later. This isn't final fixed. I'll get a final position on that once I sort out where everything's gone and level it up, and it'll be screwed up properly. I'll just sort of put it in with one screw just to hold it for now. There's a fuse there. That's the fuse from the main supply from the battery. This is a nice little consumer unit I got courtesy of good friend of Spark. I just happened to have one in the back of his van, so yeah, can't beat a freebie. So I think that's going to sit there because I want to leave that bit of room in case I decide that I want to put a third battery in. Simba giving it the once over just to make sure, supervising there. Got his eagle eye on me, checking things out. Right, so I've got all the 240 cables in, all hooked up, just needing testing. I'm going to put a socket for the fridge, so I've just put this sort of a Wago connector on just now, just so that I can test it up, and then I'll put a socket down there when I pick one up tomorrow, a socket in a Surface Box. Let's see, then I can start tidying up this rat's nest of 12 volt cables. I've got the old fuse box, I'm just going to use that again. Don't see any point in throwing it away when it works. And that's a little buzz bar I've got for the air. So electrics 240 is all tidied up, clipped up. As I say, just that one cable to tidy up tomorrow. It's all hooked up in the consumer unit, ready to go, ready to test, and everything seems to be okay. I've made up a couple of cables, one for the earth and one for the positive, so I'll get them hooked up. Anyway, another day, another dollar. It's another beautiful day. We're being blessed by beautiful weather in Blackpool at the moment. So I've got the hookup cable on, hooked it up so we can test up the 240. As you can see, I'm a messy worker. So switch it on, socket tester, test the sockets. There you go, 3 lights, means all's good. Oh, reverse polarity. Typical Euro sockets, so just needs the socket actually switching round, and that'll sort that one out. Other socket, perfect, no problems. So 240 is good and dandy. The fridge works on 240, and I've got the battery charger back on the old battery charger, which I'm going to use for now until I get a new C-Tech or whatever. So got the terminals hooked up on the battery, so that's the two batteries hooked together. I've got the positive and negative round to the buzz bars and the fuse box, and we're just waiting on some cables, which I might end up giving up on because well, now it's Saturday, but they were supposed to be here Friday, and then the update was Saturday, and halfway through Saturday and still no sign. So we'll just retest the electrics after switching the sockets round, and everything's hunky-dory now. So that's about it for this week. As you see, bump, that one's not good now, and that's about it. So anyway, thanks for watching, people. If you liked the wee video, give us a wee like and a subscribe, and I'll update you once I've finished with the 12 volt. So take care out there, people. Ta-ra for now.